Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another set of courses and certifications that are absolutely free. And the best thing of these courses is these are being provided by the TCS in collaboration with the NPTEL. So it sounds awesome, right? So without making any noise, let me move on to this video. So you can check out my channel. I make these videos on courses and certifications that are for free and internships and whether any recruitments available off campus or on campus. You can check our channel for such notifications and updates. So moving further, let me take you on to these courses now. So this is how. So I'm going to show you how you can get these courses on a PC. However, you can also get it onto your mobile phone. You need to click on this menu. In mobile phone, you will get a set of menu and then you can select catalog. Now I'm going to select here undergraduate. This is on PC, guys. First of all, go for price, select free, and select offered by. Mm, Move down till you see NPTEL. I have got this here. Just check this. Now you got this set of courses. Now these are the various courses that are available for free, which are being offered by NPTEL in collaboration with TCS, and the certification is also free. The set of courses are artificial intelligence, data structures and algorithms. I would rate this course because I love our data structures and algorithms. I hope you will also do the same. In artificial intelligence, database design, graph theory, there were many more courses you can check out here. You can see right here there were many other set 1, 2, 3 were available. You can check the courses. Let me click on this. I'm also going to tell you a trick that you can apply in order to get this certificate in just 10 minutes. You can complete the course and get the certificate in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. So I may tell this trick at any point of time in this video. So do ensure that you are watching this video till the end. Now click on this subscribe now. Now you got an option like confirm, right? Click on confirm. Subscribe product has been successfully subscribed and it will be available under my dashboard section shortly. Close. So under my product, yeah, this has come also, right? You can see this introduction to artificial intelligence. I have subscribed this product. So this is how you are going to get the certificate, like the course. Now your next question would be how to launch the course, right? I'm also going to tell you. And you know what? I have just completed the course and also got the certificate. I'm going to share my certificate. I have got just today. Uh, Now you can see in this, just now I have enrolled for a course and randomly and I have searched whether it is true or false. So on 26th April, I have got this. This is my certification ID. On 26th April, I have enrolled for this course and the course end date is also 26. Within 10 minutes, I have got this course. That is about this. You can also get this course and the certificate this way. But only you can get this course if you follow my instructions and watch this video till the end. If not, you may not end up getting this course. And one more important thing is this courses free courses, right? Not everybody may be given chance to get the all courses for free. You need to select a course which best suits your needs, like artificial intelligence or data structures and algorithms, etc. You need to get such courses, and that is the important thing. Or if you want to get two or three courses, you can also get this by creating different accounts. By creating different accounts but on the same name, you can get the certificate. So this is how you are going to get. Now let me say how you can launch this course and complete. Yes, you can see this button launch. Now click on artificial intelligence. It will take a second. Why am I getting biometrics batch 1? This is some technical error, some would happen like this. This was my previous certificate. Why am I getting this? Okay, let me launch this course. you might get one or two errors, but you need to cope up with these guys. If not, you cannot move on to this. So this is one unit 1 introduction, right? You just need to you can see this. Initially we used to read each and everything and then click on mark as read, right? I said I'm going to tell you a trick. You need not do these things, but you need not even just read. You can directly click on mark as read. Yes, that was successfully completed. You can see that I didn't read that anything, and there might be some. Now I got on to the unit 1, right? Artificial intelligence, batch 1. This is topic introduction to AI, and I'm not going to watch this video. Still, I'm clicking on mark as read. Yes, yes, I didn't watch the video, but I got this completed, right? So this is how you're going to get. I have said there was something like this is another subtopics. There were a lot of subtopic, I guess. You need to click on mark as read for each and every subtopic. But some courses you will directly have one or the other. So this is how you are going to click on mark as read directly without watching the videos. But if you are really interested to get in the course, you can directly click on, you can watch the videos and learn from it, or else you can directly click and get the certificate now, and later you can complete this. Now as I'm directly clicking, you can see the percentage has been increasing, right? So this is how you are going to get the course completely. And at the end, once you complete, you need to give a feedback. They will be asking at the last section, you need to give a feedback. Once you have completed the feedback, they will ask you to download the certificate. You need to download the certificate. Once you have done with that, it will be directly onto your account. It will be stored onto your download section, and you can check it out there, and you can add it onto your resume or your LinkedIn profile, or you can share it on your social media platforms. So this is about the certifications that are available. I have already shown various certifications that are available. As I have said previously, you may not get onto each and every course. This is one I am showing you now, right? Let me check if I can subscribe for some other course now. See, this I have already subscribed. Can I subscribe for data structures and algorithms? Let me check. I'm just checking. I think it will not work. Hey, I have subscribed, guys. You can subscribe for any number of courses. You can see here. You need not search for best fit because I have got this course too. Now also I can also subscribe this. I think this is really sounds good, right? So, girls, I guess my friends and my subscribers will definitely use this opportunity in a great way and use this lockdown effectively. And you can complete the course within 10 minutes and get the certificate too. It is not like 10 minutes. I'm telling a trick to get the certificate within time, and thereafter you can learn every time. Your next question, I know, am I going to have the access? These are free products, and you can have access for your lifetime. So that is about these courses. If you like this video, please do not forget to share it with your friends. Remember that I have been telling you sharing is caring. So that's about this video. I will be back with another video very soon. Thank you for watching this video, guys.